Hello guys, I'm here with my son Januel and we are eating Lay's. This is a barbecue flavor. He loves this one. Say something. Say something. Okay, let's have some barbecue Lay's. You want some? He almost ate it all. We just here working. So we just have this for breakfast, okay? You having it for breakfast? No? What was your breakfast? Oh no, his breakfast was a sweet bread, Mexican sweet bread. It was a concha, right? Yes, it was a concha. He ate a concha. So this one is a snack. You okay? No? Okay, guys. I hope you subscribe. How do you say that? How do you say that?
Like and subscribe.
Huh?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, please. You're gonna love our channel. We're going to share everything we do together. Okay, say something. Say something. Say something. Okay, here. Keep eating your chips. And I'm drinking coffee from a gas station. You want some coffee? This is a snack. What kind of breakfast? It's not hot. No, it's not hot. Okay. Say bye-bye to our friends. Bye. Hope to see you soon. Please. How do you say that? Like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
Thank you for supporting our channel. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Adios. Bye.